the number of permutations of the letters a comma b comma c comma d such that b does not follow a and c does not follow b and d does not follow c. So students, by using a comma b comma c comma d, 4 factorial linear permutations means 24 linear permutations. So from these 24 linear permutations, you want to remove the permutations so that b follows a and c follows b and d follows c. Such permutations should be subtracted from 24. So remaining are the required permutations, students. So first of all, number of permutations with a comma b comma c and d equal to 4 factorial. Okay students, in this 4 factorial we want to remove the permutation so that b follows a, okay, c follows b and d follows c. Those permutations should be subtracted from 4 factorial. Okay students, actually 4 factorial means these are the required permutation, a b c d, a b d c, a c b d, a c b d, like that. These are the 24 permutation. From these 24 permutations we want to remove the permutation that b follows a, c follows b, c follows d follows c. I will show you practically. So I want to use different colors to remove. First of all, a follows b, this should be removed. A follows b, a follows b, see here, a follows b, this should be removed. Okay, so a follows b, identify a follows b means ab should be, ab should be, where is ab? Here won't be, here ab, this should remove ab, here ab, yeah, another ab somewhere, here ab, this should be removed, here a, this should be removed. Okay, this should be removed. Okay, next another color I will use. Next, what happened, Anna? So BC, C follows B, BC, BC, see here BC, this should be removed. BC, this should be removed. Okay, this should be removed, this should be removed. Okay, students, observe with care, this should be removed. BC, this should be removed. After that, what happened? Next, CD, CD, D should follow C, CD, CD. I will show, this should remove CD here, CD, this should remove CD, this should remove. Okay, students, CD, this should be removed. Okay, so another CD. Okay, is here CD, this should be removed. Here CA, CD, these two should be removed. Okay, what are the remaining? I will count now. Remaining here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is the answer for the problem. 11 is the answer for the problem. So the question is, from this 4 factorial, we need to remove the permutations so that b follows a, c follows b, d follows. What I did practically, I shown you people that we'll get 11 permutations. But listen, logically how to get the answer. First of all, what I want to do, listen students. Number of permutation with a, b, c, d, 4 factor. From this, I will remove the permutation so that a, b come together. A, b come together. A, b come together. That too, a first and b next. Okay. So, number of permutations with a, b is taken as 1 unit and remaining are as it is CD. Sorry, CD. Okay, this is another 3 factor. In this A, B, C, D, A is first, B is second. A, B is taken as 1 unit only, but their places can't interchange. So A, B, C, D, what I can say 1, 2, 3, 3 factorial can arrange 3 factorial. So number of permutation so that BC is taken as 1 unit, nana. That also another 3 factorial. So another A, B, C, D is taken as 1 unit, that too C is first, D next, another 3 factorial. what I did first of all, 4 factorial minus these 3 factorial plus 3 factorial, 3 factorial is subtracted. Actually 24 minus 18, that is equal to 6. But 6 is not right answer, 11 is right answer. What happened? What is the problem means? I will show you, students. While subtracting this 2 times subtracted. See, this is 2 times subtracted. See, this is 3 times subtracted. Understood? Understood? So this is also 2 times subtracted. Okay, students. Actually, you want to subtract, this is, I subtract this 2 times, this is 2 times, this is 2 times, this is 3 times. Actually, you want to subtract this 1 time only, no? While counting. So here you need to add 1 time, this is 1 time you need to add, this is 1 time you need to add, 3 times add, and 2 times you need to add, 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal what, and 5. That's why this 6 plus 5, that is actual answer. That is actual answer. But how to write in logically, that step I will write now. So what happened after that? So 4 factorial minus of 3 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 2 factorial. A, B you can interchange their places in 2 factorial ways. No? That's why 2 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 2 factorial minus again A, B, C, D is added 3 times. No? So I want to subtract 1 time. So this is the answer for the problem. 24 minus 18 plus 2, 6 minus 1. Yeah, that is equal to 30 minus 19, that is equal to 11. So 11 different 4 word letters you can create, so that B should not follow A, and C should not follow B, and D should not follow C.